The sisters see. The sisters see. The focus question of today's lesson is, what sounds are made by the letter C? The words to know for today's lesson are ceiling, concerts, cement, hard, cereal, and soft. Ceci and Coco are sisters. They both like the letter C. Ceci likes the soft C. Certainly, says Ceci. Coco likes the hard C. Clearly, says Coco. Ceci likes celery. Coco likes corn. Ceci likes cereal. Coco likes cookies. Ceci likes the city. Coco likes the country. Ceci likes cement. Coco likes cracks. Ceci likes the ceiling. Coco likes the closet. Ceci likes the center. Coco likes the corners. They both like concerts. Can you see why? The sisters see. Connections, writing and art. Think of one more thing that Ceci would like and one more thing that Coco would like. Draw a picture of each and label it. Math. How many soft C words are there in the book? How many hard C words are there in the book? Share your answer with a partner.